now that we've talked about the relationship between cosine and sine and the ordered pairs on the circle, I want us to evaluate some trig functions or expressions without using the calculator, okay? So these values are really important. You have to be able to do this without the use of a calculator, period. So if I want to know what sine of 180 is, I'm going to picture where 180 is. It's here. What's the ordered pair for 180? That ordered pair is negative 1, 0. Well, which one of these is sine? It is 0. So sine of 180 is 0. How about cosine of 90? Well, where is 90? 90's here. The ordered pair is 0, 1. Cosine of 90 then would also be 0. How about tangent of 270? Where is 270? Picture where 270 is. 270 is here. The ordered pair is 0, negative 1. Tangent is defined as y over x, or sine over cosine. And anytime 0 is in the denominator, that value is undefined. So tangent of 270 is undefined. How about secant of 0? 0 is here. The ordered pair is 1, 0. And since we want secant of 0, you determine what cosine is. Cosine is 1. The reciprocal of 1 will be 1. So secant of 0 is 1. Cosecant of 180. Where is 180? 180 is here. The ordered pair is negative 1, 0. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, and if sine is 0, then cosecant of 180 will be undefined. Cotangent of 360. 360 is here, this angle here. The ordered pair would be 1, 0. 360, okay, cotangent, sorry, is the reciprocal of tangent. If tangent is sine over cosine, and tangent then would be 0, then cotangent would be undefined. Cosine, oh, now we've got some operations here. Cosine of 90 degrees. All right, cosine of 90 is here. That's 0, 1. Cosine of 90 is 0. And then we will add secant of 360. That's 1, 0. So cosine is 1. Secant will be 1. So the sum is 1. All right, now we have 2 times the sine of 270 plus 3 times the cosecant of 90. So, all right, let's see here. 270, the ordered pair is 0, negative 1. I will also need 90 degrees, which is 0, 1. So I have 2 times the sine of 270 is negative 1 plus 3 times the cosecant of 90. Well, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So sine is 1. Therefore, cosecant is 1. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 3. This value is also 1. And that's just a coincidence. And then our last example, notice we have this cotangent squared of 90 degrees. All right, so here's what we got. 0 degrees, the ordered pair is 1, 0. I need 90 degrees, which would be 0, 1. And I need 360, which is back to 1, 0. Okay, so 3 times the sine of 0. Because here's 0. The sine value is 0, so 3 times 0. Now let's talk about this cotangent squared of 90 degrees. That will be the same. This is going to be the same as cotangent squared of 90 degrees is the same thing as cosine of 90 degrees squared. And that's true for all of the trig functions. So, all right, so to do cotangent of 90 degrees and then square it, cotangent of 90 is 0, and then I will square 0. Then I have plus cosine of 360, which is 1. So that's 0, this is 1, and it's just a coincidence that all three of those answers actually turned out to be 1. That's just one of those freaky little things. I should have paid attention to the problems I was working with. Okay, cannot stress enough how important it is for you to be able to evaluate trig functions without the use of your calculator. Okay?